Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to fix this issue is to make sure that you have the latest version of your Snapchat. So to check that, just go into your Play Store and App Store, and then just simply search in Snapchat in the search bar, and then just tap into Snapchat. And then if an update is available, just simply tap the update button just like this one. So tap it, tap the update button, and then just wait for the update to install. And after updating your Snapchat, see if that fixes the problem. And if it didn't, what you can do next is to head into your settings, and then in here just click into the apps, and then click manage app, and then just simply search right here, or you can just find Snapchat. So I'm just going to Snapchat right here, and then tap into the data usage. So I'm sorry, that's wrong. So tap into storage rather, and after that just tap into the clear data on the very bottom part of your screen, and then you can also clear cache right here. So clear cache right here, and then just click OK. Then after that, you can also clear your data. And after doing so, or after clearing the cache or clearing the data of your Snapchat, check again if the problem is solved. But if it didn't, what you can do lastly is to contact the customer support of the Snapchat. So head into your browser, just any browser that you are using, and then just simply search Snapchat support, and then just tap into the first result that you have in there. So just like right here, and then you should be able to see this on your screen, and then just tap into the my account is compromised. So after tapping that, let us load it for a few seconds. And after that, you can submit a request here. So just explain that your on the very as you scroll down on the very bottom part of the page, should be able to see this. So you can type in your name and then the email, so the email associated with your Snapchat account if it is applicable, and then you can also tap into your mobile number, which you should input the number that you are using your Snapchat with, and then you can just put the description right here. So you can put that my account might be compromised and I just want assistance in resolving about the ban in my account, and then just simply fill in the details, and then just explain clearly to them what is the problem. And after submitting your request, you should be able to receive a response from them for up to about days or hours. So just patiently wait for them, and hopefully that fixes your problem. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.